Hi, my name is Pat Catanzariti. I'm from West Springfield, Massachusetts. I buy and sell cars, basically, and anything to do with cars. I try to do with. And I was also in the Air Force. I chose PDR because it's a natural fit for what I do, shaping and prepping cars for sale. I'm always spending money doing that, and it's not even the money, it's about being able to do the work myself in case I get stood up. I don't have to depend on anybody anymore. Yeah, this is a great training environment. All the instructors are great. They're very knowledgeable, and they're, and with the paintless dent repair that I've seen in the past, they're very picky, and most of the dents that I've paid for, they wouldn't have let go. They're very fussy in the finished product, and I like that. It's a good way to start the learning process. Well, I was just going to get back into, I have a few cars that I'm going to get, I'm going to be used. I have a car that needs a lot of paintless dent repair when I get back, so I'm going to start that, and then once I start doing people's cars, if I'm successful at it, the word of mouth, in the wholesale industry that I'm in, all the dealers, would jump and start using me fast. If I was good and dependable. I would definitely like to say, well, first, definitely thank you, the Air Force for the post 9/11 GI Bill for making this happen. That I never, and it happened in less, the whole process took less than 3 weeks, which was it was amazing. But James, everybody here, has been great. All the instructors, everybody, they have a lot of experience with PDR and training people, and it must take a lot to keep them here because they're definitely talented technicians where they could be making money somewhere else, but they choose to train people. So that's good to have people that like to help people.